Hello, everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to group columns. So, today we're going to be learning about group by. Group by basically means we have two columns. So, if one column, let's say city over here, which has duplicates, if this column, as you can see here, it has duplicates like two Delhis and two Mumbais, right? They're duplicates. So if a column has a duplicate, then we can group that column with another column. So let's say amount. We can group that city column with amount. Okay? That's what we can do. So today we're going to be doing group by. So first, we're going to be learning to add. And so, because in group by, you can do many things. Like you can do mean, count, so you can find the mean of two columns, the sum, and you can find the count. So how many orders, like how many things do they have basically? Orders do they have? Okay? And these are called aggregations. Aggregations. Okay? So we can have multiple aggregations like mean, sum, and count. We can have that all at once. But we're not gonna go at multiple aggregations. Today we're just gonna learn aggregations, like just how to do sum, mean, just that. Okay? So first, what we have to do, we have a data frame that I made. So we'll call it df equals to 3d.read CSV. Yeah, CSV. Okay, that's my bad because yeah, downloads. D.CSV. Was it D? I think it was. Alright. What's this? Oh, it's DF. Oh, my bad. Okay, DF. Yeah, DF, okay? So we're gonna group it. So we're gonna group the columns city and amount. Here's how we're gonna do this, okay? And here I'll show you. So first, df, one will say, okay, equals to df, because that's our CSV name, okay? And df, okay, df. Now to do that, we can do, or we'll just straight up print it. So print df dot group by. Group by, okay, and then square bracket, actually, parenthesis, city, uh, sorry about that, guys. Nothing happened there. So what exactly happened? I don't know. Some noise, like it was just my door. I don't know how that happened. So, okay, it was just my door. Okay, city, and then amount. Okay, amount dot sum because we're adding it. So if we run it, it works, okay? So that's how we're gonna do it. So we're just grouping city and amount. Group by basically means if we have one column like city and it has duplicates, we can add that with another column like amount, right? Okay? And we can combine those two columns like this. So Chennai has 1,160, meaning because Chennai, there's two Chennais. Okay, so there would be two numbers in amount, 400 and 760, and that in total is 1,160. Same for Delhi and Mumbai. We do the same thing. Okay, this is just for one aggregation. This is just an aggregation. Now, if we want multiple aggregations, so I'll write it here. AGGER, my bad. AGER, aggregation. Single, all right. It's just one. Now, for multiple aggregations. Okay? So, we're just gonna copy this. Now, this is very simple. For multiple aggregations, literally all we have to do is this. I'll show you. So, we make a list. Basically, we're just gonna make a list. And I'll show you how. So, for multiple aggregations, if we want to do sum and mean at once, like this, okay, I'll show you. So amount. So if we want to find sum, we write here sum. It's like a dictionary, so I'll do this. Okay, it's like a dictionary, comma, amount. Yeah, amount. My bad. Amount, colon. So this is like a dictionary, and if you've seen my videos on dictionaries before, you'd probably know this already. So this is just like a dictionary. Me. So here's how this is gonna work. String. Let's see. Forgot that. Customer. Wait, what does this say? It's a string. Okay, that's what it's saying. Wait, oh, I forgot to put the egg. This, that one. Oh, that's all. Okay. So AGG means aggregation. Okay. So this is multiple aggregations. So instead of me just finding the sum for amount, right? For this, okay? I could do multiple. I could find the sum, and at the same time, I could find the mean. Okay? So that's what we can do. Isn't it amazing? As you can see here. Okay? So, thank everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it. And bye.